yoga. Muulan. Kahit umuulan, go! Let's go! So after 4 days na may vertigo ako, finally naging okay na ako kasi meron na ako ngayong it's my first day. So nakalabas na rin sa wakas. My God, ang hirap. Hindi ko kung nahihiling ha. Hindi. Tama yan. Okay. Alright. 2. Your left, right here is on. Stay. Let's go back to now. And 1. Bring your left hand back towards the mat. Reach your left arm. Keep breathing. You fall. Just go back to the posture. 2. 1. Last breath. Keep your left hand down. Help yourself. Reach your right arm forward. Inhale, bear. And exhale, right elbow to your left knee. Release, inhale. Exhale. 1 last inhale. And exhale, hold for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Let's move to gate pose. Right hand down. Pivot your right foot outside flat. And reach your left arm towards the ceiling. Look towards your left hand. You can flex your left foot. 3, 2, and 1. Now option to bring your left foot down. 1 last breath. Walk your hands forward. Frame your right foot with your hands. Half squat all the way down. If you can close your eyes here. Look towards your left hand. Left arm behind your back. Now start to release. Other side. Up and down.